All right, everybody. I realized that when I uploaded all the materials for our class today, April 1st, class 8, that there was one thing I forgot to show you that you probably will need, and that's cross dissolve, cross dissolve is a kind of a smoothing transition. So this is, let's make this a little bit bigger. We've got a cut here that just goes straight from one clip to another. Wow, that was fast. She runs, boom, it's that guy. If I wanted to cross dissolve, there's basically an automatic way to do it. So I'm going to put my cursor, I'm in the selector tool, between these two clips, and I should have the snap control on my happening on my sequence. So that will make it easier to just find that little line. Then I'm going to right click, apply default transition, and it's going to automatically give me the cross dissolve. Cross dissolve is the default transition unless you change it. And then it's going to just see how that makes it a little bit gentler, a little softer. Now, not every project needs a bunch of cross dissolves. And you may see something like this, where this must be the very end of the clip here. If I pull it out and then, oh, nope, it's not. Are they not together? Let's see. I don't know why that would have done that. So let's try this again. There we go. So it usually will go from like 2 seconds or whatever, maybe a half a second to from the end of one clip and segue into the beginning of the other. And there has to be enough data or enough material, like, so this clip goes on, so Premiere figures that out and finds it. If I didn't have enough stuff at the end of the, say if my clip was right at the end and butted up against another clip that I wanted to cross dissolve with, see this little, it's kind of giving me a clue right here that that's the end of that clip. Yeah. So it can't go any further. Sometimes what I do is scoot it over like that and then just cheat and stack them on top of each other. You can't tell when you watch it. It needs to go from one clip to another is my point. What I'm trying to think of what else. Another thing you can do if the cross dissolve needs to be a little bit faster, you can select it and then scoot it in like that. So if it just needs to be at a slightly swifter pace, we can look and see. The duration is 1 second 0.05. So, and if I pull it shorter, it tells me how long it is. Just the point is, you're not stuck with that default length. You can mess with it. That's all I really wanted to tell you. You got to know about the cross dissolve, even if you don't use it that much. Okay.